words that are used to indicate the direction, the time, the place, that where or which direction the thing is moving or at what time the function will be placed or is happening. Haruf jar. In Urdu we have certain words like ke, me, se, ni, par वगैरह के बहुत से अल्फाज हम जुमलों में इस्तेमाल करते हैं. In English they are called the prepositions. There are the prepositions of time. Some specific prepositions are used for the time, in which we use in, at and on for different purposes. In is used for the months. When we indicate any month, when we tell that our function will be placed in the certain month, we use in preposition. Like he will come back in June. We enjoy the holidays in the months June, July, August. Years, for the years, we also use in. He was born in 1980. Allama Iqbal was born in 1877. Seasons, for the seasons, we also use in. It rains in winter. We enjoy our holidays in summer. Part of the day, for the certain part of the day, we also use the preposition in, like in the evening. We get up early in the morning, in the evening and in the morning. For evening and morning, we use in preposition. And for the duration of the time, like I will come in a minute. The same way we have some prepositions. This preposition like at, for the part of the day. As I told you, for the part of the day, for some parts we use in and for some parts we use at. For the morning and evening we have in the morning and in the evening. But for night and noon we have at night, at noon. We sleep at night. We come back from our work, from our offices at noon. And for afternoon we also use in the afternoon. We sleep in the afternoon. We take a rest in the afternoon. And for time, for a certain time, we come to school at 8. We take our meals at 10. For the celebrations, for some specific celebrations, like we celebrate our Eids, like I met him at Eid. For the fixed phrases, like at the same time and at that moment, at is used for the part of the day, like at night, at noon. For the some time, at 8, at 10. For celebrations, like at Eid. And fixed phrases at the same time and at that moment, etc. On is used for the days. I will come on Monday. I will go back on Tuesday. Date. For the dates, we also use on. He was born on November 11. Special holidays. On Iqbal Day, like on my birthday, we enjoy a holiday on Iqbal Day. A special part of the day. For days, we use on. And for the times, like morning, evening and months, we use in. But when both of these things are combined together and it becomes a phrase like this, on the morning of October the 11th. In this way, on is used. Is that clear? Let's see your books. It is page number 42. Fill below each sentence. The Holy Prophet ﷺ migrated from Makkah to Medina in 622 AD. Abu Jahl, in a fit of fury, headed towards Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq's home. He began knocking at the door violently. At this, she instantly ran to a corner of the home. She has resolute faith in Allah Almighty. And be careful, students, for the all words that have meaning like trust, faith, believe, कॉन्फिडेंस, जो हमें यकीन या एतमाद का मीनिंग देते हैं, उन तमाम वर्ड्स के बाद इन प्रेपोजिशन इस्तेमाल होती है. She gave away all the money to the poor and the needy. Her life would always be a beacon of light for all of us. Fill in the blanks with the prepositions of time that you have read now. Ali is arriving. January 26. January tells, it is the name of the month, that it will take the preposition in. But after January, the date is given. That date tells us it will take on. So, Ali is arriving on January 26 at 2 o'clock time. We have the special time, a specific time. It will take the preposition at. Saqib is leaving dash Friday at noon. Friday is the name of a day. Days will take the preposition on. Saqib is leaving on Friday at noon. Ashar has started working for his law firm dash 1995. 1995 is this year, so it will take the preposition in. I met Shaheen dash 9 a.m. Time. Time takes at. I met Shaheen at 9 a.m. The doctor will see Alize dash the evening. It is the part of the day. It will take in the evening. Sophia has her birthday dash September 11. September is the name of the month. It will take in but. After September, date is also given, and because of date we will use here on. Sophia has her birthday on September 11. We will have vacation in summer. We will have vacation in summer. For the seasons we use the preposition in. So students, your lesson has been completed today, and after this lesson we have to prepare our review exercise 4. In the next lecture we will inshallah start our review exercise, and now your lesson has been completed. You have to prepare the translation, the synonyms, word sentences, and the whole exercise of this unit. Prepare it well. It's very important lesson also. Okay, thank you.